Hi, my name is Mason Shepard.
And my name is Trevor Gabor, and welcome to our WebQuest project.
Roger Brooke Taney. Roger Brooke Taney was born on March 17, 1777 in Calvert County, Maryland, to Monica Brooke and Michael Taney. Roger was an Englishman born a Roman Catholic. His father was a tobacco planter and a plantation owner. His family was considered wealthy. In
1799, he married Anne Phoebe Carleton Key.
At age 15, he attended Dickinson College in Carlisle, where he was later elected class valedictorian. Taney graduated and moved to Indianapolis, where he continued to study law under Judge Jeremiah Chase of Maryland for 3 years. Later, he was admitted to the bar in 1799.
In 1831, Andrew Jackson appointed Roger B. Taney as the U.S. Attorney General because he was a strong supporter of Andrew Jackson and the Democratic Party. Taney was the Secretary of War in addition to his job as Attorney General and was later appointed to help Jackson to assemble the bank. Taney then became the first nominee to be rejected by the Senate because of his radical withdrawals of the bank. Andrew Jackson appointed Taney, and he was commissioned on March 15, 1836. He was then sworn in on March 28, 1836. Scott versus Sanford is a case that Taney was known for. Taney freed the slaves that he inherited, and he believed that the federal government had no right to limit slavery. He thought he could save the Union even though he ruled the farmers at the Constitution. He believed that slaves had possessed no legal rights. Charles Riverbridge versus Warren Bridge is a case where Taney's opinions were worthwhile to the court. This case suggested that private property had social responsibilities and contracts needed to be met by the legislator that would be for the public.
Some interesting facts about Roger B. Taney. Taney was the 5th Chief Justice in 1836. He had defied one of Lincoln's judicial decisions. He was disliked by many people because he held the Missouri Compromise unconstitutional, claiming that slaves were property.
Roger Brooke Taney died October 12, 1864, at age 87.
Miranda versus Arizona.
Miranda versus Arizona took place in 1966 in Arizona State. Ernesto Arturo Miranda was convicted of rape and kidnapping and also had armed robbery charges. During interrogation, Miranda confessed to the rape and kidnapping due to the intimidation placed on him in the interrogation room. The prosecutors used his confession in the trial and inevitably won the conviction. The main issue with this trial is the fact that Miranda was not informed of his constitutional rights or his right to an attorney, therefore did not know about self-incrimination, and never knew he was allowed a lawyer. This turned into a Supreme Court case because it was a violation of the Fifth and Sixth Amendment right. The decision was made that Miranda would serve 20 to 30 years for every one of his charges. This case was a big deal for self-rights, and because of this case, police officers now read us our Miranda rights before we are placed under arrest. Thanks for listening to our project.